Sam Altman's own former CTO just testified under oath. She says he lied to her face about safety, about legal review, about everything that matters. 3 weeks before his $1 trillion IPO. When Bloomberg published the transcript excerpts June 5th, 2026, 4 days ago. The witness, Mira Murati, former OpenAI CTO, now founder of Thinking Machines Lab, the single executive, most likely, to have replaced Altman in the November 2023 firing. The sworn testimony, 3 charges. 1, he bypassed OpenAI's safety board. 2, he told her legal cleared things that had not been cleared. 3, he pitted executives against each other so no one could check him. And the moment Counsel asked, "Did Altman undermine you?" her answer, under oath, one word, yes. For context, the OpenAI civil wars, November 2023, Altman fired by the board, Murati made interim CEO. For 72 hours, Altman returns, Murati stays. As CTO 2024, resigns quietly, 2026, testifies loudly. And the timing, roughly 3 weeks before OpenAI's expected $1 trillion IPO filing window, the deposition now sits in the S1 underwriter's risk file. What the board faces, a perjury-adjacent allegation from the CTO they handpicked to replace him. If true, securities lawyers have to disclose material risk to public investors. The cascade. Other OpenAI executives are now exposed to follow-on subpoenas. Anthropic, xAI, and Google DeepMind. All read. The deposition to see what governance looks like when the safety board is just a rubber stamp. When the CTO who almost replaced you calls you a liar under oath 3 weeks before your IPO, the era where founder testimony could be quietly settled, just ended, and the board starts the clock. From zero, one breakthrough, unpacked from scratch every week. Subscribe for the next one.